What does RBF stand for in slang?
Hey everyone, welcome to our video where we delve into the world of slang and jargon. In today's session, we'll be unraveling the meaning behind the term RBF. This acronym is commonly used in informal conversations, especially on social media and digital platforms. So, let's get right into it.
What does RBF stand for?
RBF stands for resting bitch face. It's a phrase that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years, particularly on the internet. This term is used to describe a facial expression, or lack thereof, that unintentionally appears annoyed, irritated, or contemptuous when the person is at rest or not expressing any particular emotion.
Where is RBF used?
The term RBF is often used in a casual or humorous context. It's mainly found in informal, internet-based conversation, such as social media posts, memes, or in humorous descriptions of people's facial expressions in certain photos or videos. Remember, while it's a slang term, it's always important to use such language respectfully and considerately.
How to use RBF in a sentence?
Using RBF in a sentence is quite straightforward, as it's just an acronym for a descriptive phrase. Here's an example. In all of her ID photos, she has what looks like an RBF, but she's actually really friendly in person. So, there you have it. RBF stands for resting bitch face, and it's a term used to describe a person's unintentionally stern or irritable facial expression when they are at rest. It's a great example of how language evolves and adapts with culture, particularly in the digital age. As always, remember to be respectful and considerate in your usage of slang. Hope you found this video informative and fun. Until next time, happy chatting!